Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. What are we going to do today? It's a new week, Monday. और इंग्लिश में क्या रह गया है, क्या करेंगे? Right? First of all, I want to tell you that we have already completed term 1 syllabus. Term 1 syllabus includes 5 chapters of literature along with the poem. And there are chapters of grammar which I have already mentioned, plus writing portion में क्या चीज़ें हमने सीखी? We learned letter writing, we learned doing fact page, and we also learned paragraph writing or describing the picture, right? Either of the one. Now all the chapters are been done of term 1. So what we have done, we are going to do the revision. So revision also, English is done. Worksheet में जो भी revision हुआ है grammar का, that is all done. Today, what we are going to do, we will be having a quick recap of writing portion. See, writing portion basically मैं आप एक बात आपको और समझा दूँ. Writing portion basically the paper style is not going to be changed. The last year, जैसे the previous year, whichever paper style we had done, first would be unseen passage, then writing portion में आपको या तो लेटर पूछा जाएगा या तो आपको कॉम्प्रिहेंड ये पिक्चर डिस्क्राइबिंग पूछा जाएगा. एंड section C would be seen passage plus question answers. Clear? That is the 3 parts, A, B and C. We already know, last year we did the paper style. जैसे PA1 की paper style थी आपको जो दी गई थी, same kind of paper style would be followed in term 1 also. The only difference would be term 1's paper is of 80 marks. How many marks? 80 marks. Yes. So we need to practice more. Why? Because unseen passage suppose है तो unseen passage में भी there would be a passage and a poem, right? And in the seen passage, that is the textual part, उसमें भी एक seen passage माने कोई भी extract from the chapters 1 to 5 I'll be taking out and I'll be giving the question answers from that. Clear? And plus the regular question answers that we have. Now today, coming to today, what we are going to do, I'll be giving you quick revision or quick recap about how to write a letter. I have seen many of the letters, those who have submitted the books. I have checked many of the letters. I have gone through letters, but फिर भी एक बार fresh up कर ले, so that we come to know कि हमें letters कैसे लिखने चाहिए. Right? चलिए, ready for today's session? Let us begin today's session. So children, this is today's CW, that is letter writing. The question says, write a letter to your friend congratulating him for his good result in exams. Now you are writing a letter to your friend, and because he has got good marks in his exams, you are congratulating him. Right? Now the basic of the letter, the first part of the letter is, here you will write your address. Yes children, बहुत सारों ने मिस्टेक किया है. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे अपना एड्रेस लिखा था. Many children have wrote their own address, my own address, sorry. So make sure that you are writing your address over here. I am writing my address, लेकिन आपको यहाँ पे अपना एड्रेस लिखना है. किसका एड्रेस लिखना है? अपना एड्रेस लिखना है. क्लियर? चलिए, so I'll write here Shyam Palace 703 Boni Park Ravapura Morbi 363641. Right? And after writing the address, you are going to write the date also. Now, after Morbi, we will write today's date. What is today's date? Today is 20, sorry. Chali. After writing Morbi, we will write today's date. What is today's date? 27/17. Done? Now, the second portion is सैल्यूटेशन माने जिसको आप लेटर लिख रहे हैं उसको. सो यू विल राइट डियर फ्रेंड. नाउ हियर आई हैव रिटन माय फ्रेंड्स नेम. आप अपने फ्रेंड का नाम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. Right? This is known as salutation. What is it? This is the second part of the letter, that is salutation. What is it? ये आपको लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This you don't need to write. This is for your explanation. First part is address. Then second part is salutation. Then beginning of the letter. What is the beginning of the letter? Generally, what do we write? हम सबको पता है. We write hello. How are you? Question mark. Hope you are in the best of your health. Full stop. This is the general remarks that we write in the beginning of the letter. Hello, how are you? Hope you are in the best of your health. Right? Generally, this is a paragraph which is written by default in this informal letter. Clear? Now, after this beginning of the letter comes the matter of the letter. माने जिसके बारे में हम letter लिख रहे हैं. Why are we writing this letter? We are writing to congratulate your friend. Right? So, body of the letter would be here. This is known as body of the letter. ये इसको पूरे को body बोला जाता है. Clear? This portions you don't need to write. आप खाली इतना लिखेंगे. Your address, date, salutation, body of the letter. Clear? Now, why have you written this letter? I am writing this letter to. क्यों लिख रहे हैं? Congratulating. So you will write to congratulate you for your results. Right? For your marks actually. So result for your result. Right? I am writing this letter to congratulate you for your result. I came to know that you scored very good marks in your exam. Full stop. I came to know that you scored very good marks in your exam. Then आप उसको wish कर रहे हैं. May you always achieve great score. Very happy for you. Full stop. ये हो गया body of the letter complete. Right? What we have written? First initial beginning paragraph we have written. Hello, how are you? Hope you are in the best of your health. I am writing this letter to congratulate you for your result. I came to know that you scored very good marks in your exam. May you always achieve great score. Very happy for you. ये हो गया. तो ये आपका हमारा जो लेटर का जो क्यों लिखा था लेटर उसका आंसर इसमें आ गया. Now this is the end of the letter. Give love to younger brother and regards to uncle and aunt. राइट, अब इसे क्या बोलते हैं? दिस इज द एंडिंग ऑफ letter. This is the ending of the letter. Give love to a younger brother and regards to uncle and aunt. Right? This is the ending of the letter. Now उसके बाद आता है signature. Signature माने lovingly yours. आप कौन है? Right? Lovingly yours. यहाँ पे आप अपना लिखेंगे नाम. Clear? This is how we write the letter. I am repeating the whole letter again. This would be your classwork and your homework too. See, write a letter to your friend congratulating him for his good results in exam. The motto of writing this letter हमें ये पता करना है या ये convey करना है that you are congratulating him for his good result. Clear? This is the motto. Now, as I told you, letter has 5 parts. First part is address. Now here you will write your address. Children, I am telling is this again that here it would be your address, not my. आपका address यहाँ पे मैं लिख देती हूँ your address, not my. Right? So your address, then the date. After date comes the salutation, माने जिसको आप letter लिख रहे हैं वो. Now this is an informal letter, so we are using dear friend, dear father, dear mother, that ways. Formal letter में भी we will write dear or respected. Any of the words can be done. Formal letter मैं आपको बाद में सिखाऊंगी, so that is fine. अभी हम concentrate करेंगे only in the informal letter. So dear friend Meera. Now begins the body of the letter. Letter हम जो लिख रहे हैं, हम क्यों लिख रहे हैं? So first paragraph, as I told you, that we begin with this. Hello, how are you? Hope you are in the best of your health. Next paragraph, I am writing this letter to congratulate you for your result. I came to know that you scored very good marks in your exam. May you always achieve great score. Very happy for you. इसके अलावा you can add we will meet soon, hope to see you soon. ऐसा कुछ आप लिख सकते हैं. That is fine अगर आप लिखना चाहे तो. Otherwise this is the ideal letter. Now the fourth part is ending of the letter. So ending of the letter में again ending paragraph would be give love to the younger brother and regards to uncle and aunt. Suppose यहाँ पे मीरा की जगह पे you are writing your friend's name and he or she is not having any younger brother or younger sister, you can just write give regards to uncle and aunt, hope to meet you soon. Clear? That is the ending of the letter. And the last part of the letter is known as signature. What is it known? Signature. Right? Signature में आप क्या लिखेंगे? Lovingly yours or yours lovingly your name. यहाँ पे आपका नाम आएगा. यहाँ पे मैंने अपना लिखा है, but you will write your name. Done? So this is the letter format. इसी तरह से you can write as many as letters as you want. We have practiced it last year also. इस साल भी हमने 3 लेटर्स किए हैं. दिस इज द 4th वन. एंड एग्जाम्स में भी ऐसे ही इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स आएंगे. सो बेसिकली आपको क्या क्या चीज़ आनी चाहिए? योर एड्रेस, डेट, सैल्यूटेशन, बिगनिंग, एंडिंग, सिग्नेचर. क्लियर? बॉडी है जो लेटर का, दिस पैराग्राफ, ओनली दिस पैराग्राफ चेंजेस इन ऑल द इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स दैट यू आर राइटिंग और दैट यू विल बी राइटिंग दिस ईयर. क्लियर? तो खाली ये जो बीच का पैराग्राफ है बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर्स, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमने कंग्रेचुलेशंस किया है, कहीं पे हम वी आर आस्किंग फॉर द हेल्थ, कहीं पे वी आर आस्किंग फॉर परमिशन एंड ऑल. राइट? सो दिस पार्ट ऑफ द लेटर ओनली चेंजेस, बाकी ये सब चीज सेम रहेगा. क्लियर? चलिए. सो दिस लेटर इज टू बी डन इन योर नोटबुक एज अ होमवर्क ऑल्सो. क्लियर? आई एम सेंडिंग इनके, इसके साथ ही मैं इसकी कॉपी इसी वीडियो में क्लिक करके भेज रही हूँ, सो दैट आप सीधा उसमें से कॉपी कर सके. क्लियर? चलिए, this is Disha ma'am signing off till we meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day.